In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on your Acura MDX, located under the hood on the right front side. Let's get started. To start, we're going to move under the hood, and on the right side of the vehicle, we're going to be removing this trim. To do that, we're going to start prying on the sides and work our way in and pull it out. To get the reservoir out, we simply unscrew the cap, move the hose out of the way, grab the bottle and slide it out. It has this slot right here, which you're going to be lining up to the bottom bracket. The new reservoir should come with a new cap, so we're going to be removing this one. And to do so, I find it easy to just grab a small screwdriver, wedge it in to break the seal, and spray some penetrant oil to break it loose. And we should be able to slide the hose out, just like that. Now we're ready to install the new cap. Simply slide this hose in. When we install the new reservoir, we want to make sure that we have it top off at the max level. You can do this in the vehicle, but for this demonstration, I'm going to do it on the bench. Now that we have it at the max level, let's install it to the vehicle. Now we just simply lined up the bracket to this notch and slide it in. Once you have it in place, simply put the hose back in the bottle and screw the cap on. Now we get to install the front cover. Slide it under the latch and lock it into place. Lock both sides.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.